Unprecedented hurricane season forecast. Tropical storm Lee poised to shatter records. In the realm of climatology, there exists a world of weather phenomena beyond our imagination. Weather events that defy the limits of our recorded history can and do occur. Case in point, this past August witnessed a series of astonishing feats in Florida, including record-breaking temperatures in Tallahassee and the historic landfall of a major hurricane between Panama City and Cedar Key. It also marked the first hurricane-force inland wind event in Florida's Big Bend region in 75 years, and remarkably, speeding hurricanes received no traffic citations. As the hurricane season enters its most active phase, we are on the brink of witnessing another unprecedented event, the formation of Tropical Storm Lee, which is poised to break records before it even takes its first breath. The most active phase of hurricane season begins. As Florida's Gulf Coast recovers from a recent devastating storm, the tropics remain in a state of turmoil, entering the historically most active 2 weeks of the hurricane season. Typically, around 1/4 of the Atlantic's hurricane activity occurs during this period. Presently, this heightened activity is concentrated in regions where hurricanes commonly form in September, with no immediate threat to the continental United States. As of midday Tuesday, the National Hurricane Center has initiated advisories for Tropical Depression 13, which is expected to intensify into Tropical Storm Lee by early Wednesday. Lee's current location places it halfway between West Africa and the Lesser Antilles, squarely within the heart of the tropical Atlantic's main development region. It is moving west-northwest at a rate of approximately 15 miles per hour. This trajectory is expected to persist into the weekend, with Lee safely passing to the north of the U.S. Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico in approximately 5 days. Tropical Depression 13 said to become a powerful hurricane. However, residents of the Northern Antilles should monitor Lee closely, as the intensity forecasts for this storm are nothing short of astonishing. Lee is traversing untouched tropical Atlantic waters that are 2 to 4 degrees warmer than average, combined with ideal mid-level moisture and upper-level wind conditions conducive to rapid intensification. The official forecast predicts Lee will reach Category 4 hurricane status by Saturday morning, setting a remarkable record for the most intensification ever predicted in an initial NHC advisory. Bermuda braces while Florida stays safe, eastern seaboard on alert. Even this forecast may be conservative, as some hurricane-specific models suggest near Category 5 strength by the weekend's end. While specific details remain uncertain, it appears likely that a formidable hurricane will be positioned to the south of Bermuda and east of the Bahamas early next week. Despite the eerie resemblance to past Cape Verde hurricanes like Irma, there is a silver lining. All models indicate the presence of a deep trough of low pressure over the eastern United States in 6 to 10 days. Barring any unusual developments, this protective dip in the jet stream should steer Lee northward around the same time, well clear of Florida. However, the complex interplay between this eastern U.S. trough and a persistent ridge of west-central Atlantic high pressure does not entirely rule out the possibility of a threat to the mid-Atlantic or New England. As of now, the most likely scenario is that Lee will remain offshore. Nonetheless, given the 10-day window and the inherent uncertainty in tropical cyclone forecasts, residents along the eastern seaboard should closely monitor Lee's progress, especially considering its anticipated strength. While hurricane threats to the northern half of the U.S. East Coast are rare, they predominantly occur in September when they do materialize. Stay vigilant as we navigate these extraordinary developments in this year's hurricane season.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.